Hi Jeff, it's the Rap here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2015 Street Glide, which has 8,014 miles on it, and the price is 24,888 plus HST and licensing. Here's the VIN number just in case if you need it for insurance, for example. It has the aftermarket shorter windscreen. It's a special edition. They call it special. It has a matching color matching panels over here. The internal panel is painted in black. It's not just a flat black. Of course, it comes with the GPS and with the touch screen. Has an ABS as well. The highway crash bars, flat boards. These are amazing saddlebags, easy to open. The one handle there, with one hand you can open and lock it. These are upgraded LED lights, which are signal lights and the running lights as well. Just turned on the 4 ways. So this lower LED is extra as well, has a chrome plate. And the best thing what I love on this motorcycle is the Vance & Hines 2-in-1 exhaust, which sounds just amazing. I'm gonna start the motorcycle for you for a few seconds so you can hear it. Here the radio is on it too, so if you press this button here and map, we're in the building right now, but yeah, it still shows actually where we are. So the bar's been upgraded. These are 12-inch smaller ape hangers. The mirrors are upgraded too. The bike is in just excellent condition. There's no scratches, no damages at all. Of course, it has a clean history. The odometer been switched to kilometers, so that 8,000 miles is 14,098 kilometers. Here's the radio. You can adjust the volume, adjust stations, and that's pretty much everything. So if you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Here, this is a toe shifter, heel shifter, little battery lead to charge the battery. It came with manuals, it's right there, and that's pretty much everything. It is certified already and is ready to go. Thank you.